In 1500 BC is really the introduction to anything dealing with ironwork. Prior to that, it was the Copper Age and the Bronze Age. And once the Hittites really started migrating was the beginning of the Iron Age. In some places, blacksmiths were considered one of the 7 foundations of civilization. And in other places, they were kind of considered witchcraft. So you had kind of opposing things, but they were all respected in their individual societies. Blacksmithing nowadays tends to be more artisan and structural artisan. So you'll see a lot of blacksmith work, true blacksmith work done with like decorative railings and gates and fences and things along those lines. Here at the park, one of my favorite things is being able to share the experience of blacksmithing with people. What I get out of the teaching aspect of it is the ability to pass on something from the journey that I'm on. And it's actually very fulfilling. The future of blacksmithing is going to predominantly remain an artistic endeavor. And as long as we can continue to pass this knowledge down from generation to generation, the blacksmithing future looks bright.